You clicked on this video, you want to know how to trade. So let's dive right into it. I've been trading for 3 years. I've been using a strategy for 5 months, and I have backtested the strategy for 19 months, and we have consistent profit, and the editor will put the backtest right here. The strategy is called LBF, and I created the strategy. It uses liquidity, market structure, and the Fibonacci for that mathematical aspect. We get our edge through the risk to reward and the win rate. We have a 51% win rate, and we catch 5 risk to reward, which is crazy, right? So stick around because we have a Quantangle challenge that we're going to be attempting to pass. Click the link in the description so you get access or a signal whenever I take a trade, because on YouTube I'm going to be giving trade breakdowns, and in my Telegram that's where I give trade ideas, so you can go tap in for completely free. And let's dive right into the charts. So I'm going to be teaching LBF. So basically what we are looking for when trading LBF is for, let's imagine that's yesterday price, right? And we have a high and we have a low, right? That would be our previous day highs and lows, right? So that's going to be our previous day high. Yeah, that's going to be our previous day high, and this is going to be our previous day low, right? We have our PDH and our PDL. What we're looking for is for gold price to either break the previous day low or break the previous day high. Then once that is done, you want a break of structure in the opposite direction, right? So considering it came down like that, wanted to go up and come back, break structure, yeah, break of structure and break of structure, basically, right? When we take out the highs, we're looking for sells. When we take out the lows, we're looking for buys. Then what you're going to be doing now is grabbing your Fibonacci and drawing from the swing low. It will create to the swing high you want to buy. If you don't know how to use Fibonacci, there are free courses in the Telegram, so make sure you check that out, and you do the same thing for the low. Then what you want is for price to tap the black line, and you can take a trade from there. Soon as it taps the black line, you take a trade from there. Stop loss above the red line, and your take profit should be 5R. So basically that is what you're looking for. That is how you trade LBF in the simplest way explainable, and it's that simple, and we make money from it literally every day, right? Okay, so I'm just going to take you right into live trading examples, right, for people who don't understand. And for the Fibonacci, stick around to the end of the video to get the settings. Yeah. Okay, so the trade I'm looking at currently is a trade I took on Thursday 21st of May 2026, right? So if you're watching this on Monday, on the I think 25th, you'd be, yeah, basically last week. And from this trade, I made $200 secured, and I'm floating currently 600 and something, right? So I'm going to just break down and take you through how I got the trade, right? So as you can see, we have our previous day high and our previous day low, right? And then you see what happens. You get the sweep, of the previous day high. We sweep it. Then after we sweep it, break structure. After we break structure, we drag our Fibonacci, swing high, all the way to swing low, right? All the way to the swing low. But now you see what happens. More lows are created and we don't get tapped in here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to extend your fib tool until you have one that touches the black line. Obviously, this is unfiltered, and for further information, you'd have to join the Telegram, because I personally only give a full disclosure to people who are trading with XM Global using my affiliate link. Well, not really affiliate link, but like, yeah, affiliate link or invitation link, considering you're not going to be paying for anything, but I will be making money and you will be making money. So also that the link for the XM is definitely in the Telegram. You should go check it out, right? So as you see, you drag the fib and you wait for the black line to be touched, which happens right here, and we make our entry based off the rejection, stop loss above the red line. And you can see we are still holding this trade. This line would be a 3R, which we use for risk management. So when it reaches 3R, we usually exit the trade and stuff. But the buy example was taken on Wednesday, 20th of May, right? So don't mind this one. So the support and resistance trade, but then if you check, it's LBF again, right? So we have our previous day low right here, right, and previous day high knows where, right? And then we get a sweep right here. We get our break of structure right here. You draw the fib from swing low to swing high, and you can see what happens. We get touched. We touch the black line, get some type of rejection, we enter the trade, and this trade bangs. It bangs. LBF always does this. It always works. So it's your choice at the end of the day. Stick around for the Quantangle challenge. I'm very excited. Let's make this strategy global. I really want the hedge funds and a lot of other people to react off of my strategy. Can't wait to get the payout. I'll see you all in the next one.